Tensions between India and Pakistan have sent a ripple of urgency across the national capital, triggering heightened security measures and civil defense preparations. Amidst the escalating conflict, including recent incidents and retaliatory actions, authorities in New Delhi are on high alert. On Friday, an air raid siren was tested atop the PWD building at ITO as part of readiness drills. Plans are underway to install dozens more sirens across the city. Additional security forces have been deployed at key locations, and police vigilance intensified as the capital braces for potential eventualities. The increased alert follows recent exchanges and developments along the border regions.